On this episode of Designing Spaces, looking for the best in high-speed internet, phone, and entertainment service that won't cost you an arm and a leg? We have one word for you: Windstream. In the market for a water heater or boiler? Raypak's been in the business for over 70 years and definitely worth a look-see. Tired of paying for channels you never watch and looking to cut the cord? Sling TV is here to help.
Hi, I'm Ryan Tobin, and this is my wife, Ashley.
Welcome to our home. We moved here 17 years ago. We picked this neighborhood because it was centrally located. It had a lot of trees and a lot of character.
When we moved here, we were about to have our first child. Carter was about to be born. And so we've always been here. This is our, like our place.
Meet the Tobins, a family of four with a lot on their plates.
So for a living, I do multifamily residential contracting, specializing in adaptive reuse of historic structures. So we take buildings that are registered on the National Park Service Historic Registry, and we turn them into multifamily apartment buildings. So I work from the job site and I work from home.
More recently, Ashley started working out of their home as well.
My children started a pet sitting business in our neighborhood 2 years ago. It's called Paws, Claws, Wings, and Things.
She kind of advertises for us.
Yeah.
Let's go, buddy. I am typically the one that's in charge of scheduling. We have an evening and an afternoon visit. We started out with probably about 5 families, and I would say now we rotate through 12.
Mostly dogs.
Yeah. We had a bunny.
We had a bunny. One time we did a fish, we did a bird.
We just kind of take care of them while their owners are gone. We feed them, we let them outside, we walk them, just whatever they ask us to do.
And of course, playtime is equally as important in the Tobin home.
I usually play Xbox, or I'm on my phone.
I use my phone a lot, and as a family, we watch TV together.
With the whole clan working and playing from home, high-speed internet is a must, and their current service has been a source of frustration.
A lot of outages, so that's one reason. And the other reason is because we were paying for so much bandwidth, but when you check, it's not actually there. It is very important for us to have, working and a lot of bandwidth. And with me working from home, I'm logging into a virtual network and downloading enormous, PDFs of blueprints. Ashley's scheduling her stuff, and the kids, of course, they don't watch programs anymore. It's all streaming. So they're streaming their stuff, and we probably have music playing. So when you put all that together, you need a good bandwidth.
Fortunately, the family has another broadband option in their area, thanks to Windstream, a full-service communications company that delivers fast, reliable, high-speed internet communications and entertainment services for both consumers and business.
Kinetic is our fastest fiber way to deliver internet services to businesses and residents. A technician will come into the house, they'll install our great Kinetic up to 1 gig services, and also with the streaming products of today, it's very important to have the reliability of faster internet.
Kinetic by Windstream provides customers everything they need to connect them to a world of infinite possibilities. A Windstream technician arrives to discuss options with the family and see what products can achieve their connectivity goals.
So the issues that you've been having in the house, where are the spots that you're having these gaps?
So the problems that we're having are primarily that we don't get service in our front room, which we're hoping to make into a place for the kids to play games and kind of relax on their own. And then also the room above that, which is our daughter's bedroom, she doesn't get any service there.
You need to fix that. Today we'll be installing Kinetic Premium Broadband Services for the Tobins. They'll be getting a dual band bonded router installed with their premium Kinetic speeds. On top of that, we'll be installing a range extender to enhance their wireless experience throughout the whole house.
Is there going to be a lot of construction involved, or is it going to be a mess?
Very minimal. First thing that we'll have to get our service to the house. We'll mount a box on the outside. That will be a demarcation point that will separate our service from the wires coming in the house. Now with the new service, it is bonded service. So we will have to run a specific Cat 5 data wire from the outside of the house to the location where the modem is going to go. All I'll have to do is drill 2 holes. One will go down through the floor into your crawl space. The other I can drill straight out right next to the box.
I'm feeling very positive that our issues are going to be resolved.
Yeah, so it feels like we really matter to them. You know, it's not like we're just a number of millions of people that they service. I mean, the tech is local to the area, and it just makes it feel like it's close to home. So we're hoping to add some smart features to the house. Is that going to put too much strain on it, or?
You'll have plenty of bandwidth to run all those devices.
With the upgraded speed and productivity Windstream will provide, we turned those smart home hopes into haves by surprising the Tobin family with a little shopping spree to upgrade their home technology.
We got a new laptop.
The smartwatches, the gaming system, a Ring doorbell, a printer, a wireless printer.
Connected printer, that's nice. Yeah, and a television. It was just so fun. You don't usually get to walk into a store like that and just kind of go crazy.
It's definitely a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
With the quick and easy install all finished, that means the Tobins are connected and get back to work.
It is important for someone to have the best speeds possible, the most reliable speeds possible, so therefore they're not feeling obligated to go into an office daily. They can do their daily activities, they can run their work charts, they can speak on conference calls. All of that is very important for working at home.
Hey Siri, turn on the living room light.
Okay.
A week later, we return to make sure everything is running smoothly.
Oh my gosh, we're super happy.
Yeah, it's been a great process. We felt very taken care of.
I feel more, a lot of times I'm put in a position where I have to make a decision. Is it okay for me to go home today, or do I need to stay where I'm at? And so this will make it a lot easier for me to make that decision to go home, because I know that when I get here, I can take care of something if it comes up.
And easier, faster connectivity during work hours means more time for family later.
Thanks for making this.
You're welcome. Very good.
Yeah, it allows me that flexibility in my schedule that if there is a swim meet and there is a soccer game, I can be there and be part of that.
And that peace of mind for a family is everything.
For more information on all of Windstream services, go to windstream.com or visit designingspaces.tv. California living. Beaches, relaxation, and lounging by the pool. But even in the land of endless summer, winter months and cool nights can put a little chill in those pool days. Luckily, Raypak Heaters is here to keep the dream alive all year round, no matter where you live.
Well, my name is Bruce Dunn, and I live here in Escondido, California. In the summer, it's hot. In the winter, some of the evenings can be down to 50 degrees. Pool life in Southern California is extremely popular, and being able to enjoy it year-round, especially with the use of a heater, it's a way to live. Mission Pools is a 60-year-old company. We build pools all the way from the permitting stage to the first shovel, dig our pools, steel, plumb, shotcrete, pumps, filters, heaters. So here in the warehouse, we keep a variety of equipment from different manufacturers. In the area of heaters, our top seller is Raypak. Raypak is a brand that we recommend to our customers, but not only to our customers, but I use it in my own home.
Raypak is part of the Ream family. Raypak was founded in 1947. We've been in business for over 70 years. We do it all from residential to big commercial projects. We do boilers, water heaters, pool and spa heaters, as well as heat pumps for your home pool, as well as commercial pool heaters that can heat Olympic-sized venues. Having a heater really extends the use of your pool and spa area. It's a big investment that you put into your home, and you want to make sure that you get the most out of it. And what we're good at is engineering products that perform and building them to last.
I've had a Raypak for my pool here for over 15 years, and we're replacing it today with a higher efficiency heater with Protect Shield. It's going to give me longer life and give me the opportunity to enjoy this pool with my family all year round.
And sustainability is a big part of Rheem and Raypak, and it's built into our DNA. We are constantly looking at ways to improve and make our product even more efficient and easier to use. That means they run at peak performance, which means cost savings for you as a consumer, and it also means it's better for the environment.
And just like that, a crack team of professionals is off to bring the heat.
What really sets us apart is our training and our resources that we provide. When you work with one of our professionals, you know that you are getting top-of-the-line service. And once you buy a Raypak, you know it's a great investment in your home and you don't have to worry about it. It's gonna run. It's not about the heater, it's about those family get-togethers, it's about those birthday parties, it's about a long day of work and just coming home and relaxing in your spa.
The crew's finishing up, and not a moment too soon.
Looks great. Brand new heater. Set to go.
The sun's out, and the kids are eager to jump on in.
This is my favorite spot, to be right here by the pool with the family. Oh my gosh, I love having a heated pool. When it's cold outside, the pool's always nice and warm. Kids come over year-round. It allows it to be utilized for 12 months out of the year instead of just a few months out of the year.
We can turn it on for the pool, we can turn it on for the spa, day, night. Actually doesn't make any difference as long as the water's warm.
This is what it's all about. Kids and families enjoying the pool, having a great day out. The technicians came in, they installed the product. Everything went flawlessly because this is why we do what we do. At Raypak, we want to make sure that we bring comfort to people's homes and make sure that they get the most out of their pool any day of the year and make memories.
We're here at the Fairman's house. I hear they're super interested in Sling TV and becoming cord cutters, so let's help them out.
Meet the Fairmans, family of 5 with busy schedules who love to watch TV. They have had cable for over 20 years, but today they're finally cutting the cord.
We've had cable for about 20 years. I'm a little hesitant to cut the cord and to switch over to Sling TV. I'm afraid that I'm gonna not have all the channels that I wanted.
That you never watch.
That I never watch, that he says, yeah, that I never watch. But not just like the security of having all those channels.
I'd rather just be simpler and have just closer to what the channels you are that you watch and only pay for the channels that you watch.
I'm so excited that Dave from Sling TV is coming by to explain how we can cut the cord.
Hi, you must be Ronnie.
Yes, hi.
Hi, great to meet you.
David.
David, I'm David too.
And I'm so excited to quit paying for all those channels we never watch.
So great to meet you, both.
Nice to meet you too. We're so excited to get Sling TV.
Awesome, well that's what I'm here for, and so why don't you show me where you watch TV?
Here's the main room where we watch TV in the family room.
Oh, and I see you've got an Amazon Fire remote.
Yes.
All right, so you've got an Amazon Fire TV there as well. So, who's watching here? What are you watching?
We have 3 kids.
3 kids.
So we're all watching TV in here. Sometimes in here we fight over who wants to watch TV.
She thinks it's her TV, but it's really my daughter's
Maybe
TV.
originally it was her TV,
Yes.
and now it's not anymore.
Yes.
It looks like it's going to be very easy for us to install on our existing TVs and also on our older TVs where we can use the Fire Stick.
Okay, TV, Xbox, video games, got it?
Yeah.
And it looks like you got a computer, and you're watching TV on your iPad there as well. So that's perfect because you get Sling TV on all of these, on the computer, on our iPad, and on the Xbox here too. So when they're done playing video games.
I didn't know that you could
So
watch.
it doesn't need to be a smart TV then?
It doesn't, no, as long as you have a way to get Sling TV, which you have 3 different ways in this room alone, then you're fine.
And they can watch different things so they won't end up fighting?
Up to 3 people could be watching on totally different TVs, totally different channels, all at the same time, so you'll be totally fine.
I'm so excited about getting Sling TV. Now I can keep playing video games while my sisters watch TV on their other devices.
I want to play Xbox too.
Get out of here.
All right, great. And so who's watching in here? You're watching in here?
I mainly watch in here.
Okay, what are you watching in here?
I'm watching a lot of soaps, local channels.
You can definitely get your local channels in here too. We'll actually be able to get those anywhere throughout the entire house.
What's unique and amazing about the Air TV device is that you only need one antenna for the whole house, and you can put it wherever you get the best reception. The Air TV does all the work, so you can watch your locals for free in any room and even outside your home. Never worry about missing the game again.
I'm really excited that I can watch the local channels on Sling TV because I love watching my soap operas.
Sling TV is good for the Fairmans, or any family for that matter, because 1, they're saving money every month, and 2, they're still getting the same TV that they've always had. So with the flexibility of our services, they can pick the channels that they want, they can get their kids extra for their kids, and still be getting all the channels that they want anywhere. Now they also have an antenna set up, so they can get their local channels as well. All right, so signing up for Sling is fast and easy. So just click for your 7-day free trial, and now all you have to do is enter an email and password. All right, and now we'll pick the services you want based on the channels that you watch.
Okay, so this one seems good.
And now, once we have your main service, we can pick any extras that you might want.
Okay.
So you mentioned you have children, so if you want the children's extra, or if there's a lot of sports going on in this house, you can have the sports extra.
Okay.
We also have cloud DVR.
Oh, I would like the DVR to like record my shows.
Perfect.
So we do that and have it to get the kids extra also.
Sounds great. And remember, you can always add more extras later. You can do it here or on the app itself. So now you're all signed up, and you can start watching TV, even right here on your laptop.
Oh, wow. That was quick.
What I like about Sling TV is that I can watch all my favorite shows on my tablet.
There's a lot of things I love about Sling TV, but my favorite is that I can stream live TV anytime, anywhere I want. Like right now, I just find the app. Look at that.
I like Sling TV.
I'm so glad we finally cut the cord and signed up for Sling TV.
And now we're slingers.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.